listen to what I'm telling you. Follow the rules. You're gonna tell me you don't know what to do, and you're gonna lie to me, huh? And you're gonna insult me?
Randy.
Shut up. You make me sick.
Randy.
I don't want to see you till you're ready to work.
Randy! Hey! Hey, sister! Hey! Sister! Hey! Hey, sister. Hey. I don't got anything on me.
I see that.
Real funny. I don't have any money. Can you spare some change?
Can I or will I?
That's what I'm asking. I just need bus fare.
I'm not giving you money. You'll drink away. But if you need it to get home, I'll pay the fare. What bus do you need?
This one?
Fine. I'll pay the driver.
I knew nuns like you.
Of course, we're all the same.
3 years at Catholic school.
Well, we'll work you into our marketing campaign.
Y'all wore that scarfy thing.
Habits.
Yeah.
So they were of my order?
Yeah, they're of your order. Always rapping my knuckles and shit.
Nonsense. You're too young. We abandoned corporal punishment eons before you would have arrived. For better or for worse.
Okay, they didn't hit me. But they're always snaring like you.
I'm not sneering. I'm not even looking at you.
Except my second grade teacher. I loved her. Even my mom loved her. She'd always say, how is that nun so happy and she didn't even have a man?
Yeah, I can see how much they've enriched your life.
Sister used to always say, never, ever, 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 ever forget.
Forget what?
I forgot. Anyway, Sister Marietta, she was a sweetheart.
Sister Marietta Moore?
Yeah, that's it.
Sister Marietta would be very disappointed in the way you're behaving now.
Stop! Stop! Wait.
Young lady,
Hold on. You know Sister Marietta?
Sister Marietta Moore?
Yes, Sister Marietta Moore.
She was my teacher. I just want to talk to her. Like I forgot something she used to tell me.
Miss, what's your name?
Susie.
Miss Susie has been nipping a bit too much at the bottle tonight, I'm afraid.
It's okay, dear. You look like you could use some sleep. Where do you live?
Well, he was my boyfriend. He pushed me out of the car, and like I just thought Sister Marietta. She said she knew Sister Marietta.
Oh, sweetheart, Sister Marietta did live here, but she passed away years ago.
If you want, I can pay your cab fare to wherever.
I gotta go pee.
Oh, it's just inside down the stairs on the right.
Sister Bianca.
I think we should prepare Sister Agnes's old room for her.
Bianca, it's a mistake to get involved with this woman.
Obviously, she has nowhere to go.
I saw her pushed out of a car by a man who was probably her pimp, and he could well have followed us.
I only wanted to see Sister Marietta again. I didn't think she would mind.
She would have loved to have seen you. Perhaps, if you visit her grave and say a prayer, she'll whisper in your ear.
She has to get home to...
Sister Michael will show you. Oh, Marietta will be delighted.
We have a cemetery out back. She's not in the yard, you know. How much would a cab be to... Fine. Fine. Well, get yourself together and I can call you. It's okay. Sister Bianca's prepared a room for you. Would you like to stay?